Indian street corn with a spice mama twist. Shuck and remove the silks. Corn is incredibly nutritious, high in fiber, high in minerals like zinc and magnesium, B vitamins, and also phytonutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, great for eye health. Cook on an open medium flame. Keep rotating as you hear it crackle. Whoa. You want a nice char, but you don't want to burn it. And you do want to cook it through. It's way more dramatic than I expected. Street vendors in India do this best. One of the things so magical about food is the memories it can evoke just by the smells and the aromas. This is taking me straight back to my childhood at Juhu Beach in Mumbai, where I would eat these with my grandfather. Unbeatable. Now that we've charred our corn, it's time to make our spice rub. So first, I'm just gonna cut this lime in half. I grew up with a very simple rub of lime, sea salt, and chili, but we're gonna be a little extra because why not? So I'm going in with some smoked salt. You can use black salt or pink salt or just regular sea salt. Then I'm going to add some Urfa chili, which is really smoky, really silken, and really incredible. And I'm adding some red chili powder. You can reduce the amount if you don't like it as hot, but if you're me, more is more. People often do cumin, but I'm going to actually do ground coriander because I love the lemony, peppery flavor of it. And that's it. I'm just gonna mix that up with my hands. And then we're just gonna take that lime and dip it in the spice rub. And then we're just gonna squeeze that lime and rub it all over that roasted corn, making sure we have enough spice rub, enough lime juice. And of course, we have to finish with a little fresh cilantro. Fresh cilantro makes everything pretty, and it also has a bunch of health benefits like blood sugar balancing, anti-inflammatory properties, herbs, spices, all day, every day. And there you have it, an homage to my childhood in India, Indian street corn with a spice mama twist.